895. Down lower.
Street ET used to be a good beginner's class, but come on, let's be honest now. Now you got guys like Tom Clem and Masa Yokota. It's just incredible the level of competition in Pro ET and Street ET.
Right, and Pro ET and Street ET really don't come down to the elapsed time. It all comes down to the Christmas tree. You know, Tom Clem down there with an 0:24 reaction time. Opposite side, the reaction time started with a 2. I won't say the rest. That's all you need to know.
How about this matchup on the starting line? We are officially worldwide. India in the strange lane, Tokyo, Japan in the summit lane. Guys, they call it the World Finals for a reason. It's not just a name. There are literally competitors here from all over the globe.
And that's the best part about this drag race, Jack. You know, I've been watching since about 2013.
Good job. 895, 891. So he backed it up. He went 887 and 891.